I am the founder of IDCON Inc. in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today I'd like to talk about, are you doing the right things? I have always said that it's more important to do the right things than to do things right. Of course, you have to do both of them, but you have to do them in that order. First, you have to say, these are the right things to do. And then you have to get your organization with you to see to that we execute those things in that good order. So what is reliability and what is manufacturing reliability? Well, the easiest way of measuring that is actually to say our capacity on this production line is to make 1,000 widgets in 24 hours, as an example. But we only made 900. That means that your manufacturing throughput or the reliability of the equipment was just 90%. And what is maintenance then? Well, maintenance is actions to prevent and repair failures and breakdowns, to sustain and improve equipment reliability and prolong equipment technical life. And good maintenance is still mostly about skilled people executing well-defined and reinforced processes which will result in improved safety and equipment reliability. So it's not only about better reliability. As we can see in the next picture, good reliability has a big impact on safety performance. We can see that if we are reactive maintenance, 64% reactive maintenance, then your OSHA incident rate was 4.36. In the middle range, where 30% of all maintenance was reactive, the OSHA incident rate was 1.16. And if you're really good, you have less than 9% reactive maintenance, then the OSHA recordable incident rate is down to 0.11. A very big difference. So it's a big difference in how good you are in reliability and how safe you are. Another thing we believe is absolutely the right thing to do is keep things simple. And that is very important because we talk about people and you want people to perform in a very well-defined process and executing the work safely in that process. So if we're going to describe what the maintenance process is, the very core of that process, it starts with prevent. And prevent means you do everything you can to prevent that any kind of maintenance will occur, like failures or in the worst case breakdowns. That means lubrication is still one of the most important things you can do right. Precision alignment and other precision maintenance activities is also very important. Operating practices and so forth are also part of prevent. When we say prevent and inspect, that is what we call preventive maintenance, and then to correct any failures or breakdowns have occurred, that is corrective maintenance. And preferably you do that by inspecting, finding failures early, plan, which means that you decide what to do and how to do it, and then schedule when you're going to do it and who's going to do it in that order, and then you execute the work according to your plan and your schedule. That chain from inspect, where you find failures, until you execute the correction of those failures must not be broken. And that is not uncommon, that is one of the things that you experience in organizations, that we break that schedule, that chain of events, because we have add-on work or break-in work in our schedules. Maintenance management is nothing new. I mean, the principles of how you manage maintenance is nothing new at all. The first book I have found in that is from 97 AD. and that was about how to maintain the aqueducts in Rome, because they were leaking, they didn't have enough of water, and they decided that we need to maintain them better. And what did they decide to do? Well, they had to go out and do site visits, have good documentation. We need to do inspections. We have to have daily meeting. We have to work preparation, which is planning, and then we had to do a lot of work on preventive maintenance. The only thing that has actually changed and is new in maintenance management is technology. Technology today is so much better and so much more affordable than it was in the past when I started working in this in the early 60s. It's an enormous difference in this case. But remember one thing, technology is great, but you have to use the technology you're ready for. If you implement new technology that your organization is not ready for, you will divert the focus from the actual improvement needs that you have to do. Make sure that you are very good and stable in your work management system, your people are skilled, and documentation such as bill of materials are accurate. Then you're ready for new technology, and it can help you generate expected results. People and processes are what drives improvements. Technology is a vehicle to continue to improve. So you need to be absolutely sure that your organization is ready for the new technology you want to implement.